Okay, so original rock where I found the point. Then right over here I found that scraper. And then 10 feet this way I came across that little beauty. What is that? Is that another scraper? Yeah, I think so. Sorry about the camera work. I'm excited. That is gorgeous. That is just gorgeous. Man, I have hit a honey hole. There's no way I'm gonna be able to leave this place today. No way. This is amazing. That's 3 really good artifacts within 10 feet, I'd say. What's that? Nothing. Wouldn't surprise me though. Bug. Okay, I'm gonna stop the video. I'll come back if I find anything else.